In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add canvases in Slack, step by step. Slack canvases are a powerful way to keep notes, documentation, and shared context directly inside your channels, so your team always knows what's going on without digging through endless messages. If you're using Slack for work, projects, or team communication in 2026, this feature is something you absolutely want to master. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Slack and navigate to the channel where you want to add a canvas. This can be a team channel, a project channel, or any shared space where information needs to live long-term. Once you're inside the channel, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct place, because the canvas you create will be attached specifically to this channel. Canvases are great for things like onboarding notes, meeting agendas, project requirements, or shared links that everyone in the channel needs access to. Next, look at the top area of the channel interface and click on the option that says Add Canvas. This button allows you to create a new canvas directly within the channel. As soon as you click it, Slack will open a new canvas editor for you. This editor is designed to be simple and flexible, so you can quickly start adding content without needing any extra tools or integrations. Now, type in a title for your canvas. This title is important because it helps everyone in the channel immediately understand what the canvas is for. For example, you might name it Project Overview, Team Guidelines, Weekly Notes, or anything else that fits your use case. After entering the title, you can begin adding content to the canvas, such as text, checklists, links, or structured notes, depending on how you want to use it. Once you've added the title, your canvas is automatically saved and added to the channel. There's no extra save button you need to worry about. Everyone who has access to the channel can now view the canvas, and depending on permissions, they may also be able to edit it. This makes canvases a great central place for collaboration, keeping important information visible and easy to update over time. And that's it. You've successfully added a canvas in Slack and made your channel more organized and efficient. Canvases are one of the best ways to reduce repeated questions and keep your team aligned, so I highly recommend experimenting with them in different channels. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips, productivity tutorials, and easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.